Hi, welcome to FilesDNA tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to sign a PDF document on your mobile. Click on your PDF and select Open Edit. Choose space for your signature. The system will automatically generate your default signature. All you have to do is click on Sign. Drag your signature to correct location. Once you are happy with the document, click on Finish. Now you have three options to choose from. Option 1 will save your PDF as a draft so you can make changes later. Option 2 will save your actions and export it to PDF. Option 3 will create new edited PDF file and the old one will remain unchanged. Choose your option and select Submit. Well done! You have just signed your first PDF on your mobile. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you next time.